Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to rename your Google Slides files. Actually, it's really easy to do. If you are opening your Google Slides and then showing all of your slides here, and then you want to rename it, you just press on the triple dot on the right here and then click rename, so that you can rename it. Rename. That's if you are opening the folders of Google Slides. But the thing is, if you are open your Google Slides and then you are editing your Google Slides and then you want to edit it, you want to rename your Google Slides, you just press on the triple dot on the upper, and then here you can see this is the name of my slides, so I can click that one and then I will rename it, rename, second rename, and then click OK. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this content is really helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.